I'm already done covering the edges using this kind of cloth. So I already finished it all over it, and now I'm gonna put this one. This one is for the sleeve, like this here. Okay, so I'll be putting it here now, like this one. So it's done, and I'm gonna make the other side. I just cut it like this, like half moon on it. So I'll be putting it here, the same as the other one, like this one. So it's done also, and both are done. This. And I'm gonna put this one, the string, for like a style or a design on it. Whenever it's loose, too loose, then you can adjust it. So I can attach this one, guys, or just leave it like this, simple. So I want to try this one, and I will show you how. So I will wait, I will sit, and I will try. So this is how I made my Bolero. See, guys, so this is it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I can also put this one, the string, in here whenever I want it, like this one. I already have two Bolero, white Bolero now.